I always enjoy reading Pete the Cat with my kids. This week we got chance to read 3 Pete the Cat books. And along with that, I have arranged some of the book extension activities such as simple coloring activities. Here I drew some of the crayons and I let my daughter color these crayons by using some of the watercolors. And these types of activities gives us a lot of opportunities to go back and revise some of the topics you read with the kids. So I always try to do these types of activities with the kids. Here I have arranged simple coloring activities by drawing some of the crayons and allowing my kids to color it. However, this week my main focus was on teaching prepositions of positions to my daughter. So in today's video, I'm gonna share some of the activities and worksheets that I have made for teaching prepositions of positions to my daughter. For arranging this activity, I took a cardboard box and I covered it with yellow paper. Here we will also need any object. I took apple, but you can take any object or any toy. So once you take the box, start putting apple in different positions, such as first put the apple on top of the box, and you can tell kids this is on the box. So right now the apple is on the box, and after that put the apple in front of the box, and you can tell kids that right now the apple is in front of the box. Similarly, put the apple behind the box and tell kids the apple is behind the box. And then put the apple on one of the side of the box and say the apple is next to the box. Then just simply hold apple above the box and tell right now the apple is above the box. After that, open the cardboard box and put the apple in the box, and this way we can easily explain kids what is mean by in the box. While you put the apple in the box, you just explain kids that this is means in the box or inside the box. And lastly, you can put apple first and on top of that put box, and you can explain now the apple is under the box. This way, by simply using cardboard box and apple, we can easily explain the prepositions of positions to kids. After demonstrating different prepositions of position through activity, we can make some of the DIY worksheet to check their knowledge. This is the first worksheet I made. So while finishing this worksheet, ask kids to look for the position of the flower and then select the right answer. In the first column, as we all can see, the flower is in between two trees, so the right answer is in between. In the column next to that, the flower is on the tree, therefore the right answer is on. After that, the flower is behind the tree, so the right answer is behind. And then I made flower next to the tree, so the answer is next to. At this point, you can go back and revise with your kids once again all the positions. Flower is not on the tree or it is not behind the tree, but it is next to the tree, so the right answer is next to the tree. In the next picture, I made the flower in front of the tree, so right answer is in front. The picture next to it, the flower is in the tree, so the right answer is in. This way I have made the first worksheet. On the next worksheet, I made this type of picture where I made table, a girl, and also I drew few more things around that table, and at the bottom I made few sentences, and while finishing this sentence, my daughter had to tell me the right preposition that goes with that object. So all these are fill in the blank sentences. So the first sentence is the vase is on the table. So here she had to tell me like the vase is on the table. Similarly, the girl is table, so the girl is next to the table. The next sentence is ball is the box. So here she had to tell me the position of ball related to box, so the ball is in the box. And the last sentence is about finding out where is apple, so apple is under the table. Next, I have created this instruction sheet or arranged an activity just to examine the knowledge of my daughter on this preposition of position, and you can also easily make this type of instruction sheet. So on this sheet I wrote some of the instructions, and I read these instructions to my daughter and asked her to put the things according to the instruction. So the first instruction is put the red crayon behind the box. Next is put the black crayon in front of the box. Next I wrote put the pink eraser in the box, and then I wrote put the red lid on the box. After that I wrote put the purple marker next to the box, and lastly I wrote put the yellow pencil under the box. So for arranging this activity we're gonna need all these types of things like red crayon, black crayon, pink eraser, box with the red lid, purple marker and yellow pencil, and give all these objects to your kids, and after that ask them to put these things according to the instructions given on the paper. And if they struggle, you can definitely help them learn and revise the preposition of positions. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and also don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. See you next time with the next video.